30-day challenge, day number 22. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to convert Ethereum to Crypto.com today. We're going to do how much? Let's check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So let me go ahead and go to CoinMarketCap. Let me go to CoinMarketCap. And then I will go to Crypto.com. I just want to check the price at this. Just want to check the price. And so the price is at 58 cents. So let's think about this. 58 cents is day number 22. This is the captain spreadsheet. But this is going to be the new captain spreadsheet once I get everything updated. So shout out to Hector for putting this together. So this will be the new captain spreadsheet. I'm still moving everything over from the old one to the new one. So shout out to Hector. This is going to be debuted more likely tomorrow. So we're going to go ahead and make this decision over here. Let's move $100 over to Crypto.com because I feel really good about Crypto.com. It's $168. And let's go ahead and look at the price here. It is going to be that much Ethereum. We're moving over. And it's going to be, what is it, 58 cents? Is it 58 cents? 58 cents. Yep. 59 cents, actually. 59 cents. And we're moving $100 over. So we're going to use this formality. This right here. And $2.99. So we can use that formality right there. And let's go ahead and make that swap decision. Convert that. 168 tokens. So we almost to the goal. Who's with me? I appreciate you being with me from this challenge. Can't wait to do another challenge. We need to go ahead and make that known. What challenge is going to be next time? Because I'm excited about the next challenge. So let me go ahead and move this over here. 59 cents. And let's see here. So it's going to be day 22. We hit our goal. We just surpassed our goal. I didn't even realize that. 4,000 was the goal, and we did it on day number 22. So let me go and change the date here. I can't believe this. I thought we needed more time. So absolutely, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go here. Price of it, 59 cents. Let's do this. We got fees of $65. Crypto.com amount paid, $27.29. And we also have total paid, $27.95. So excited. And I know we in profit. We're not in profit. We in the red of minus $415. But I'm going to be back tomorrow with another update. This has went through. We hit our goal. I can't wait. I'm not concerned about this because it's the long term of this. If we got 4,000 already, everything else, this is just a bonus. So congratulations. If you don't have a Coinbase account, click on the link below, get access of it, and you can join me on this journey. Always do your research, not financial advice. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain's here. I'm excited. I'll see you on the next video. Day number 23, Monday, December 13th.